So I was thinking, this is such a wonderful time for me to be alive and thinking like how far I've come. A lot of times people are like, you don't look like what you've been through. I can't see you doing something like that. Or, wow, I never would have guessed, like you can't judge someone based on what they look like or what they do from what they might have been through. You really have no idea. I spent many years in a very tough place. Didn't take care of myself, overindulged in a lot of things, while raising 4 kids, working a full-time job, having a business, and being music, in a band. And it was a lot going on. And I was last on the totem pole. Did not, I won't say care, but didn't have time to care. I prioritized everything above me. And I gave and gave and gave and gave and gave and gave and gave, and still sometimes do. But, I had to find time for myself finally. And honestly, that didn't happen until my kids were kind of grown and out the house a little bit. Still got one left. But when they left, I had time to look in the mirror and be like, who the hell is that? You know what I'm saying? I was looking rough. You know what I'm saying? I was, still doing a lot, giving a lot. But I kind of slowed down a little bit, So honestly, that slowdown, that, saying no to things, putting down some things, gave me clarity and time for myself. And it was something that I really needed. I am still evolving, still working on myself, still learning myself. But I'm in this place now where I love me. Like every little scar and pimple and little curve and wiggle, I love it. I love it. Like I have birthed 4 children. I have done major things in my life. My brain has served me well. My heart has served me well. I'm blessed with a community around me that has really helped me out, like with the kids and resources, and just been there for me. Like, I don't know, I just felt grateful and blessed to be where I am, and with the people that I have around me. Like if you're not supposed to be around me, you're not around me. That's just how it is right now. Like before, it was different, but now, no. The energy of the people and myself and the love that we all share, like it's powerful. And it really did take me getting to know myself, finding that time for myself, and giving it to myself. Like, it was no other thing that changed my life like that. So every day, I'm out here on my walk, meditating. Finally figured out today how to stroll, which is slow my butt down and just breathe and be here. Like I was fast paced. I was power walking here and I was power walking there. But I didn't want to do that. It's time to stroll. So take your time and be one with the world. There's still time for power walking, but just not all the time. So anyway, I love you guys. Love on yourself today, please. You're worth it, okay? It's worth it. Take the time. You got this. Love you.